got a bunch of parts in. Got the rebuild kit here for the front calipers. We got all of our belts. We got the OEM Phoenix airbags. We got 4 of those. A couple breather hoses. We got the O-ring for the power steering reservoir. As you can see, this older one is toast. We got our thermostat. We got the rebuild kit for the water pump. Power steering fluid. This is what happened to one of the bolts on the water pump, and did source new ones from Mercedes. Although they're threaded all the way through, I was told that they will work. Cleaned up the fan a little bit. Resprayed the pulleys. I got a bearing from Consolidated Bearings. This one was shot for the idler pulley. Just gonna focus. Here's the water pump and the thermostat. Some 3 lug nuts from our buddy. Alright, so we got the water pump here. So first thing you're gonna have to do is grab a puller, attach it onto here. You gotta be careful with this propeller because they are known to break. So we did that. We did need to heat it up. This pops off. Then you have and this is the whole spring assembly. Ours is clearly deteriorated. Then there is a snap ring inside there, which we already got off with the very small needle nose pliers. It's the snap ring that comes out. And now we could press this out with a press. And our rebuild kit comes with 2 of these bearings. Comes with this piece. And it also comes with the snap rings and gasket for the thermostat housing and the gasket for the water pump. Obviously we're going to clean up all of this for the new gasket. Alright, so we just have to pop that bearing out. There's 2 bearings in there, and there's a snap ring and a shaft. So the bottom bearing comes out. Then we have to get the snap ring out of the middle that's holding in the second bearing. Alright guys, so after we installed all of the components to get the water pump back in action, we went ahead and fired the car up. As you can see, there was some smoke happening. That was just from old coolant burning off, so no worries. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for our next video. Take care.
Met als pinkstellen